Hello and welcome to today's tutorial by Quick Tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix performance issues in Android Studio. And yeah, before I get into it, I just want to say that I have 3 different ways on how to improve the performance, and I want you to stick around until the last fix or the second fix, because the first one is like an easy fix. You may already have tried it. So if you already tried one of the fixes, then I just want you to skip to the next fix. And yeah, I would really appreciate if you could leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment. It would really support the channel. And now let's get started. So first of all, I just want you to know that there are different reasons for a program to not run smoothly. First of all, we will have to navigate to our taskbar and press right click, open up the task manager, and I will maximize it now so you can see everything. And yeah, basically what you can see here is how all the programs that are running currently on my PC are using up the CPU, are using up my memory, disk network, and GPU. So if you have a program who is especially using a lot of GPU or CPU, uh, these two show you how these programs which are running currently are affecting the performance of your PC. And you see 50% is a very high indicator. So OBS is the program I use for recording, so I'm not going to close it. But if I would like to clean up, if you want to improve performance on a program which is currently running, then I could press right click and press end task. If I press end task, it immediately closes the program, the application, and it will free up a lot of GPU and CPU. In my case, especially a lot of GPU. So if you want to free up GPU or CPU, it's necessary to take a first look at the task manager. And if you want to have a more detailed look, you can also look at the performance tab, where GPU and the CPU performance is shown in a graph. And also an important indicator is the memory usage. And for example, I have a 32 GB memory, which is a lot. So if the program is taking up a lot of memories, you should consider upgrading upgrade your RAM. And yeah, I would consider, if that's your problem, to just look up a website which shows you different price, or it's like comparing prices from RAM and yeah, buy additional memory by upgrading to 32 GB RAM. And yeah, now let's continue to the second fix. So the second fix will only help if you have Nvidia graphic card. And yeah, Nvidia graphic cards are easily accessible. So if you have an Nvidia graphic card, you can just go to your Nvidia settings, press right click, and you don't want to go to GeForce Experience. That's for games. We don't want that. You want to go to control panel, click on it. So you're just gonna go on this little arrow here and press right click and press on Nvidia control panel. And then, as I already selected it, go to adjust image settings with preview. And my PC has a good enough graphic card, so I can choose let 3D application decide. But if your PC struggles to hold up the performance of a program, any application, you should go down to use my preference settings quality and go down to performance. And if you do that and press on apply, I'm not going to do that because I will just let the 3D application decide as I had before. But if you do that, you can save up some performance from your graphic card, trying to always achieve the best quality for everything. So if you just do this, you just choose the performance mode, it will definitely better your performance. And yeah, so the third fix I have for you is in the control panel. You can go to the search bar down here and press and type in control panel, or I have like control panel right here. I'm gonna double click it, and you want to go here to system and security, then go to administrative tools, and press on it. And you see here there are a lot of things to see, but basically there are only two things that concern us. First of all, it's a disk cleanup. It may be possible that the files from one of your disks, from your hard drive or your SSD, are polluted with short temporary files which slow down programs, your PC in general. So you want to do some disk cleanups from time to time to better the performance. So I'm going to double click disk cleanup, and I want you to think about or look up where your program, your application is saved, and then select the drive where your program is saved. I'm just gonna do volume D, and then you're gonna press OK. And basically what you see here, you're gonna just select recycle bin, and the shader cache is not of concern for you. You're just gonna press clean up system files, and yeah, then some temporary files will be deleted, which may reoccur after some time. So you have to perpetuously do this cleanup. And yeah, you can also do this with your SSD. I can do it as well. And as you see with your SSD, there is a lot more to select. So I'm just gonna go over that with a second. So you see, especially my Windows Update cleanup is very big. So we definitely want to select this, and basically you can select whatever you want here, but you should always be careful with something with a button which has system or Windows after it, because sometimes you delete some important files and then you have to reinstall Windows, which you don't want to do. So if it's not like system error memory dump files is okay, because there are only error messages, and error mini dump files also fine. But as you see, that's not like, it's only 7.6 megabytes, so you can press that off for sure. But error reports, that's also fine. But I'm always careful with the DirectX shader cache and delivery optimization files. They are not even that big, you know. It won't impact your PC performance, only if you have like a very, very small storage for a very, very small SSD. But yeah, basically we're just gonna press OK here, and you see that I haven't done the cleanup in a while for my SSD, so I will also get some performance back. As you see here, 16.1 gigabytes will be freed up, and yeah, let's do that right now. So yeah, this took some time. Like for my PC, which is very good, which has a very good graphic card and CPU and everything, it took 5 minutes, so it might take some more time, and yeah, you just have to be patient. But that's gonna be it for today. So if you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. Love you, leave a like, and goodbye. Thank you for watching.